Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, let's talk about the way that you fix the ChatGPT not working on your mobile phone. In these situations, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that you check your internet connection. If you are currently connected to your Wi-Fi, you can try opening up other applications that require internet as well and try to see if your internet is working or not. If this is not the solution for you, then what you can try out is try to restart the app. So what you can do is just clear out the app from the recent app list and try to see if this fixes the issue. However, if the issue is still not fixed, what you'll also need to do is check for outages on the OpenAI platform. So what you can do is open up a web browser, search for OpenAI status page, and once you open up this page, you can see the information that is being displayed on the top. If it is working currently, then it will say fully operational. If it is not, and if this is the exact issue, then you'll need to wait out a few hours before the issue is fixed. But however, if the issue is still not this, then what you can do is try to clear out the app cache on your phone. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, what you'll also need to ensure is that the application is up to date. Just head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for ChatGPT, and if you do see new updates available, you can just tap on the update button. Now, if none of these solutions work out for you, lastly, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of ChatGPT from your device and then again reinstall it. By doing these few steps, you should be able to fix the ChatGPT not working on your mobile phone issue. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.